I've been dealing with this annoying cough and tightness in my chest, especially at night. It's uncomfortable and I just want relief. So I visited my doctor, and guess what? It turns out it's a common issue. Could be a throat infection or even allergies. The doctor prescribed Edeper Syrup, which is designed to soothe irritation and help with cough relief. It's perfect for dry coughs and mild chest congestion. I started taking it, and I can already feel the difference. Remember, always follow your doctor's advice when it comes to medication. If symptoms stick around, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider.